Hey credit cousins, starting this month in July, you may start to see your credit report score increase and some bad debt erased from your credit report. In this video, I will share what you need to know and why this is happening, so keep watching. So about 3 months ago, I mentioned that collections will start to remove from your credit report starting in July. In this video here, well, July is here, and if you have medical collections on your credit report, they will start to be removed from millions of Americans' credit report. So in March of this year, it was announced that medical debt is clearing off millions of Americans' credit reports starting July 1st. All paid medical debt that was in collections will no longer be included on consumer credit reports. This means if you did pay to delete or if you had closed paid in full medical collections still sitting on your credit report, the credit bureaus will be removing it off of your credit report. This is major because there are plenty of people that are unaware of consumer law and are going through home purchases, and sometimes lenders encourage buyers to pay down debt for better approvals, and when they are paid in full, a lot of time the debt do linger on in the back of your closed accounts, and they still show as a derogatory mark on your credit report. So now you don't have to worry about doing the extra legwork and keep on disputing your paid medical debt even after you paid it off, hoping it will delete on its own. You'll also have more time before unpaid medical debt is reported on your credit report. Also, what has started on July 1st was only unpaid medical debt that is currently in collections for 1 year or more will be reported on your credit reports. Before, it was medical debt that wasn't paid within 6 months, and it will report to collections. So you are getting an additional 6 months to settle or dispute with the original creditor before it hit collections. Now, this one is major. Also, there will be more changes in early 2023, but don't worry, I will make another video when that time has come. But those changes are, if you have medical debt that is less than $500 on your credit report, they will be removed from all 3 credit bureaus. And also, when I say medical debt can include hospital visits, ambulance rides, dental care, and so much more. So why are these happening and who is coming up with these decisions? Well, these changes are happening because the CFPB is finally holding the credit bureaus accountable for the inaccurate reporting when it comes to how medical debt is shown on consumer credit reports. I think it reflects that medical collections are different from other collections, whereas you can literally get medical debt added on to your credit report for small things like billing error. Also, medical debt is different from other collections. Sometimes medical debt can catch us by surprise because when something is listed on your credit report as a collection, as small as a medical treatment, most medical treatments are not entering into a credit agreement before it turns into a debt, like the way a credit card bill or a cell phone bill or even a lease an apartment does. So the CFPB is finally taking action on this matter and making it more lenient for this medical debt because they do not believe it should be treated as a factor when it comes to determining a consumer credit worthiness. I recommend, if you do have any medical debt sitting on your credit report, to stay on top of your credit report updates by signing up for monthly credit report monitoring service such as MyFICO, or you can even pull your annual credit report weekly for free. I will leave those links below. You want to do this because anything could literally fall off your credit report this month or the next following months if you have medical debt. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and find a link in the description box and pin comments on this video to join the private group Credit Cousins to keep up with more credit tips and tricks. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.